Are you facing slow computer problem? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Internet Playground channel where you will find computer solutions, graphics, and gaming tips. Step 1. Delete useless file and shortcuts from your desktop. Empty your recile bin to get more space for your drive. Step 2. Open Runbox by using Command Windows + R. Type temp with %sign as shown on screen. Press enter. Now select all and delete files. Do not worry, these are useless files that causing your computer slow. Step 3. Open the computer, then select your C drive. Go to Properties and Clean Disk and optimize the drive as shown. Sometimes low space of your C drives cause slow computer. Open Task Manager by using Command Control Shift Escape. Now delete unnecessary programs. Mostly browsers slow your computer if you are not using them, and task them. Disable your startup programs that are unnecessary. Sometimes there are some viruses that starts with your fresh Windows startup. If your RAM is too low, try increasing it. Nowadays programs need more RAM to run. If you have low RAM, it's hard for your computer to manage it. I have 16 GB RAM and I am not very happy with it. Try to get average 12 GB RAM if you can afford it. Make sure your Windows is updated. Uninstall programs that you are not using. Sometimes they are added as startup programs and taking space in your drive and RAM. It is better if you uninstall them. If they are important, save their setup so you can install them again when you needed them. Make sure your Windows Defender is working. Check for a quick scan and make sure all options are enabled. Some viruses like Trojans, rats, and keyloggers cause computers very slow because someone else accessing your computer through a remote. If you want to learn about viruses, let me know in the comments section. I will create a video on it. This step is really important. If you have low RAM, then it will fix your most of problem because it disables animation and helps your computer run fast. Which next video you want to see? Let me know the topic, subscribe, like and hit bell icon, get more related videos. Have a great day.